Yeah, well, it's the international break. Fuck my life. You know that feeling you get when you've been waiting for something what feels like forever? Just been anticipating it day and night, just waiting for you to get that one thing that you've been waiting for. That's how I feel about the start of the season when it comes to August. Entire summer. That's how I feel about when the Premier League kicks off. The entire summer, you sit down, you go on your Twitter every day, you go on YouTube, check out your favorite fan channels, and you just wait and you just read every news clippings. Who's coming in? Who's going out? Who are we buying? Is this guy coming? Is he not coming? What the hell is Man United doing? You're just killing yourself over and over trying to figure out what your team is doing. And then the season kicks off. And it's like, oh my God, this thing is orgasmic, isn't it? You know, as Manchester United fans, we're forced to just sit there and think back how horrible our team was in the last few games and what Solskjaer can do to fix it, right? We are left to think back and think about this kind of stuff.
Cody is holding on to Martial. It's a bit short. Martial's in here. Martial. Oh, what a...
And if that didn't break your heart, I'm pretty sure this will.
Pogba!
Yeah, and just, you know, just to put that a little bit of icing on the top of the cake, it's the international break, guys. So you're guaranteed to have at least 25% of your team that your squad that went out come back injured. Pogba, Wan-Bissaka, Luke Shaw already injured, which means that of the 5 or 6 that is out on international duty, not counting the youngsters that's playing on the young teams, chances are 1/2 of them coming back injured, which will be just par for the course of Manchester United, I know, because everybody injured. Luke Shaw come like he make out a straw, like him hamstring make out a straw. It's like this man go Jamaica and tell Andrew Jones, give me all of the straws I go put on my hamstring. This man can't sprint from here to this and pop him mama. That makes sense. So yeah, I do feel like Manchester United fans are in agony. I do worry about our form, or about the direction that the team is going in. But most of all, I just want FIFA to cancel international games altogether. Just leave it at World Cup. That's it. Oh, and quick side note, very important, dear to my heart. Fuck Di Maria.